What's up guys, EtherBossGamer here and welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be doing the second part of the house, and as you can see, the house I made. It wasn't looking too good, so I had to get rid of it with a dangerous weapon. You don't need to worry about it. So last time I kind of ran out of time, so let's just jump right in. Go and watch part one if you haven't already. Also, do remember to leave a like and subscribe. Hit that notification bell with your, well, this is a new thing that I'm just going to make up, with your emerald hand, and yeah, that's all. So for now, all I'm going to do is just do a nice little wooden floor. It's not all going to be wooden though, because you'll see in a minute. If I go like this, no, that can be like that. So now if I get, I'm going to use this in coal actually. Coming up like concrete. I know, black and then so yeah, that is the kitchen, and I'll do a little I'll do a little counter around it, like this, and I'll put right, so I need slab. Do that, and then I will get this, and then I will go boom boom. Oh yeah, I stocked up on emeralds, gave myself this dude. Because as you know, I am the Emerald God. So that's that, and we'll make like a living room here. So if I get brown wool, so I just feel like it should be brown. If it could be like neon, I would pick that 100%. But not. I don't know why am I doing it like this. I can just sit it like this. And boop. I am an old grandma who likes to twerk. Twerk. Okay then. So yeah, so where should my crafting table go? I'll put it in the corner there. And so I'll grab this. And then I'll also grab a chest. So this is like where I put my stuff in. And then this can be up here can be where the chests are. It doesn't open. Let me just get rid of that. Does that show light? Yeah, it does. Okay, I'll just keep it. So now I can open that and put food in it. My crafting table, where is that? I will get it out. Put it there. And now I need my bedroom, so I'll put a little thing this is where like my pajamas and clothes and things go. There's a trap chest. Is it? Yep. Why did I get it? I already have it in my inventory. And now I will get a lime bed, of course. Nope. Yeah. So this video isn't actually too long. Actually, we still have to do it. I have pets. So these guys are my pets now, I guess. So this is what I got in here. I'm just gonna put some grass in. So there's that. And then I'll put some flowers in, so I think you should be able to find them. Are they here? I cannot remember. No, I don't really need flowers actually. I will. You know what? I think that might be it. I'll just. You know what I will do? I'll just make a little mine that you can have. You know, like a mine, so you can actually mine down here. This isn't gonna be really too much of a thing. It's just something like if you want to find a cave, you could just like get ores here. So that's pretty good. Boom, so you put everything, and then this is the chest where you have like all the tools in, you put all the stuff in, and then I need furnace again. Furnace. So if I put like this, this, this. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Let me just put like a little fence around here. Fence. Okay, so now I got that. So yeah, that's about it for this episode. So Hope you enjoyed. As I said, subscribe, leave a bell, hit that bell with your emerald fist if you are a fan of other gods with their fists. So, I hope you have enjoyed, and I'll see you later.